Kursk Airfield explosion. How a Ukrainian self-destruct drone outsmarted Russian officers. A Ukrainian drone explosion at Khalino Airfield reportedly resulted in Russian officer casualties. The Khalino Airfield is located less than 5 miles from the city of Kursk, hosting Russia's 14th Guards Fighter Aviation Regiment and Sukhoi Su-30SM fighter aircraft. The drone landed safely on the runway, and upon inspection by Russian Air Force and FSB officers, it detonated. The explosion allegedly led to casualties, including the 14th Aviation Regiment commander, his deputy, aviation officers, an FSB officer, and other airfield staff. Exact details of who were injured or killed are yet to be clarified. Similar incidents, including drones exploding upon landing, have been reported in other regions, such as Voronezh Oblast south of Moscow. The Russian MOD labeled one such incident as a terrorist attempt. Recent drone attacks also targeted other structures in Kursk, like the local Ministry of Internal Affairs building. Over the weekend, drones reportedly attacked Kursk's FSB building and an oil facility. The Ukrainian drone's ability to self-destruct after landing has been emphasized. The incident at Khalino Airfield underscores the changing dynamics of warfare with the increased use of drones. Ukrainian drones are utilizing stealth and self-destruction tactics to target strategic Russian points. The use of drones in this manner signifies a shift in warfare technology, with UAVs becoming key assets in modern conflict. That's it for today. To stay up to date on AI plus drones plus military, don't forget to subscribe.